Hello viewers, this is Muhammad Wakas and you are watching your own YouTube channel Learn with MW. Viewers, we are back after a long interval of time. The reason was that I was busy in my own work. But now, in those days, I have made a plan and now I am implementing that plan and I am sharing that plan with all my viewers. Viewers, we are gonna starting a vocabulary series which I have given a name Vocabulary Voyage. And in this series, we will be covering all the words that are presented in English dictionary. So this Vocabulary Voyage series will cover all the words of English dictionary from A to Z. And remember, it will be for the first time in which we will be covering all the words of English dictionary in alphabetical order. So it will be starting from letter A, step by step, gradually, every day. We will be uploading videos on this in this series and it will be going toward the end. So it will be end with the letter Z. So viewers, this was just a short plan I have made and now we are going to implement that plan, and every single day, remember that every single day I will be uploading video, and in that video I will be covering 3 words a day. So 3 words a day I will be covering in every single video, and in that we will be covering its meaning and then its usage. So with the practical meaning and then its practical implementation in English sentences, so we may understood all the words of English dictionary A to Z. Viewers, this will be a complete series, and in this series there will be episode every single day. We will be uploading single episode, and remember, on every day 8 p.m. I will be uploading videos. So remember the time will be 8 p.m. So on every 8 p.m. and every day we will be uploading a single episode of this whole series Vocabulary Voyage. So this is the first episode of this series in which we will be covering 3 words in this video as well, which we are abate, abash and abater. These three words will be discussed in today's videos. Don't go anywhere, hit the subscribe button. Let's dive into the video. So viewers, as I mentioned, in every single episode of this Vocabulary Voyage from A to Z, we will be covering 3 words a day and it will be in alphabetical order. So our first word you will be seeing on the board is abate, A-B-A-T-E, abate. Now its meaning you will also be seeing on the board. Its meaning is to lessen or to subside. So now we will learn its practical usage through sentences. So now you will be seeing on the board its sentences. For example, Ali pulled over to the side of the road until the storm abated. Ali pulled over to the side of the road until the storm abated. It's mean Ali remains at the side of the road until the storm lessen or subside. So now through these practical implementation and through these practical usage, you have learned the first word abate, which means to lessen or to subside. In order to learn the second word, let's dive into the next slide. So now viewers, we'll be learning the second word of this episode. The second word you will be seeing on the board is abater, A-B-E-T-T-O-R, abater. Its meaning is encourager. Abater meaning is encourager. Now let's learn it through practical usage. The sentence you will be seeing on the board is he was accused of being a abater or criminal. He was accused of being an abater of the criminal. Now this means accused. Now we have learned through this practical usage a new word accused. Accused means blamed for. So he was blamed for being an encourager or supporter of the criminal. So we have learned through these practical usages the second word abater, which means encourager, and we have also learned its usage. You will be seeing on the board he was accused of being an abater of the criminal. It means he was blamed for being an encourager or supporter of the criminal. So now, up till now, we have learned the 2 words abash and abater. Remaining third word we will be learning in this video through or in the next slide. So stay tuned with us. Now the last word of this episode is abject. You will be seeing on the board ABGJECT, abject. And abject means measurable or reached. You will be seeing on the board this meaning. Abject means measurable or reached. So now let's learn through practical usage. You will be seeing on the board a sentence. Indians, Pakistanis and subcontinents are living in abject poverty. Indians, Pakistanis and subcontinent peoples are living in abject poverty. Mean they are living in measurable condition. They are living in a measurable poverty condition. So viewers, we have learned the third word, or in fact the last word of this first episode of Vocabulary Voyage A to Z, which was abject, and abject means measurable or rich. So we are done with this video. In this video, we have learned our first three words from, which starting from the letter A. So alphabetical order, we will follow the alphabetical order, and this alphabetical order we have start from letter A and we will progress toward the letter Z. So remember the timing. Every day 8 p.m. we will be uploading videos on the Learn with MW YouTube channel. Stay connected with us. Do hit the subscriber button so that all the videos should reach to all of you on time. Share this video, like this video, and do subscribe my YouTube channel Learn with MW. But remember, share this video with your friends and relatives who are indeed, and they will be indeed interested in English language and learning, and especially in this Vocabulary Voyage series, which is from A to Z. So we will be covering, we will be understanding, and we will be exploring all the words of English dictionary from A to Z. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot.